Hi guys, this is Narmusimab and you are watching GetWays Solution. In this video, I am going to solve a LeetCode question based on array, and question goes like this. Students are asked to stand in non-descending order of height for an annual photo. Return the minimum number of students that must move in order from all students to be standing in non-descending order of height. So notice that when a group of students is selected, they can reorder in any possible way between themselves, and the non-selected student remain on the seats. So what we have to do, we have to find ascending sorted array in how many iteration we can sort this particular array. We have to find it, which means that first I will reset the code so that we will take a fresh start. So if you see here, our input array is 1 1 4 2 1 3, and if we will make 4 as 1 and we will place 4 at last, first step we will make 1 here at position of 4, we will make 1 at position of 1, we will put 3 at position of 3, we will put 4. Then this complete array will get sorted, and student will be in non-decreasing order, which means that student will be in ascending order. So we have to do at least 3 operations to make it sorted. So let's see approach in Blackboard. So let's take the example as given example only we will take, and given example is 1 1 4 3 1 and 2, and I will give index also 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. So length of this array is going to be 6. So what we have to do, we have to find these are students at this index, and suppose these are height of students, and these elements are height of student, and we have to arrange for photograph these students are standing, and we have to arrange in this way that all the sorter student whose height is 1 1 1 should be in first row, and after that the next student whose height is 2 will be after this 1 1 1, and after that 3 will come, and after that the tallest student whose height is 4 will come at last. So we have to arrange in this way, which means that basically we have to find minimum number of, we have to first all student will arrange in this way, and we have to find minimum number of arrangement we have to do, so that we get from this array we will get this array. So how we will approach toward it, we will first let's give name to this array, and name of this array is already given, which is height, HEIGST. Right? And what we are going to do, we are going to create a new array, let's call it ARR, and what we will do in this new array, we are going to copy all element of this height array, and all element of this height array are 1 1 4 3 1 and 2, and after that we are going to sort this new array, SORT, sort, and after sorting it, what our new array will be something like this. Something like this, 1 and again 1 and again 1 and then 2, then 3, and at last 4. And now what we are going to do, is this: we will compare the first element, and now our array is sorted. This ARR array is sorted, and height array is as it is, like the input array. And what we will do, we will compare first element. We will compare each index of both the array. If both the at zeroth index, if both the elements are same, we are not going to do anything. Again, we have both the elements same, we are not going to do anything. But here we have both the element as different, so these two are not same. So what we are going to do, we will introduce one count variable also, count. And what we are going to do, when these two elements are not same, we are going to increment count plus plus. So our count is going to become 1 when these two are found, and after that we will again compare, and these two are also not equal, so our count is going to increment once again, and it is going to become 2. Count is going to become 2, and after that we will compare once again. So here our count is again get incremented, and count will become 2 plus 1, which is 3, and after that again these two elements are not same, so again count will get incremented, 3 plus 1, which is 4. So I think you got it. If you write pseudocode will go like something like this. Pseudocode, at step 1, what we will do, first of all we will copy all the element of height array. We'll copy all the element of height array into new array, which is ARR. We will use clone, or you can use simple for loop also to copy one by one each element, and clone will also do same thing inside. So at step 1 we will do this, and after that at step 2 what we are going to do, we are going to sort this our new array, ARR dot sort. And at step 3, we are going to iterate over any of the array, means both the array, for 0 to till n-1. In this case, n-1 is 5, 0 to n-1, and we will check if height of I is not equal to height of is not equal to ARR of I. If these two are not equal, then we are going to increment count. Else we are not going to do anything. And after doing this at step 4, we will return count. And these are the steps. So hopefully you understood all the concept. Now we will try to code this out and we will see if we are getting output or not. Hopefully you understood the complete requirement and complete pseudocode of the question. And now let's proceed toward code. And at first, what we are going to do, we're going to introduce count and initialize it with 0. We are going to initialize count variable, which is of type int, and initialize it with 0. And after that, we are going to declare one more int array, and let's name it as ARR only array. And what we are going to do in this, we are going to copy all the element of heights into ARR. And you can copy using for loop also. I'm using clone here also because I have to type less, and I always love that advantage of typing less. So now I'm going to iterate over the array. And how I will iterate, we can use either a for loop using int normal for loop, or we can use for each also. And since you know for each, we have to type less, so I will use for each only. And what we are going to do here, now here we have constraints because we are going to use array index also. These array index also. With one for loop, we are going to use this array also. We are going to represent this array or heights array also. So we are going to use normal for loop. Int I equal to 0. For each is not used everywhere. Sometimes it is very useful, sometimes it is trash. You can take array length of ARR or height, anything. Since ARR, I have to type 3 keystrokes, so I took ARR. Both are of same length, so no issue. And I++. And in this, we will compare if ARR of I not equal to heights of I, then we are going to increment count ++. And after doing these, return count. That's it. Hopefully it will work. I hope all these spellings are correct. Heights, ARR. Now I will try to submit, maximize it also. We are getting wrong answer, output 0. Then we have to sort also. Sorry, I forgot it. As you see here, we have after getting array cloning, we are sorting it, then comparing. If I will directly compare, then how anything other than 0 I will get. So I have to sort array dot sort, and in that sort I have to pass ARR. Hopefully it will work. Now I will try to run code. Yeah, we are getting expected output. Now I will try to submit, and hopefully you see the code. And first, what we have done, we copied all the element into array, like all the heights element into ARR, and after that we are sorting ARR, and after sorting we are going to compare each element, that is both the element equal. If not equal, then we are going to increment count, and after that returning count. And that's it. And I hope this time our solution will get accepted. There is no issue. Yeah, it got accepted. Hopefully you liked it, you enjoyed it, and consider sharing and subscribing. Thank you. Bye bye.